Welcome to Sarah's little classroom. For General TIN, you must remember General Public EI 9010. Used when you issue e-invoice to General Public. Example 1. Consolidated e-invoice. 2. When buyer provide only his/her IC to you without TIN. Foreign buyer EI 9020. Used when you sell products or services to foreign buyers. Foreign seller EI 9030. Used when you purchase goods and services from foreign suppliers. Government EI 9040. Used when you sell products or services to government bodies, state government, government agencies, and so on. Summary of TIN. General Public EI 9010. Foreign buyer EI 9020. Foreign supplier EI 9030. Government EI 9040. Is today's lesson help you? Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.